Atlanta means a lot to me. That's where I grew up. It's made me who I am today. So being able to give back to Crossroads, just awesome to have that opportunity. I'm Justin Fields, and I'm a part of the Lowe's home team. Today we're going to be helping out Crossroads Community Ministries and Clyde's Kitchen. My whole family, they've always given back. They've always helped people out. So that influenced me to do the same thing.
Crossroads Community Ministries is here to assist those who are experiencing homelessness to receive the help that they need. And then from there, we're able to help build every other piece that they need along the way to leave their homelessness behind permanently.
I'm excited to be a part of the Lowe's home team. Lowe's has made it way easier for me to give back to the community by providing me with different things that help out. It's just awesome to have that opportunity to give back to the community that I'm from.
Lowe's is investing in something that will change thousands of lives for years to come.
I'm Justin Fields, and I want you to join me this season on the Lowe's home team. Check out Lowe's.com/home team to learn more about the Lowe's home team.